This little move will set your core on fire in the best way possible. The Stability Ball Pike-Up is one of my favorite advanced core exercises for strength, control, and balance. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to nail it with the perfect form, plus easy way to scale it for your level. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my fitness tutorial. Today we're gonna go through one of my favorite and a little bit more advanced exercises for your core, and this is Pike-Ups on Stability Ball. And I will go through the harder variation, but then I will break it down also to the easier variations that basically if you're a beginner you can also do this exercise. So don't worry, there is a regression of this exercise, so anybody can try it. Okay, let's go for it. All right, let's do this. So you're gonna go first into your plank position. You're gonna place your feet on the ball. Now make sure that you're stabilizing your body, contract your core muscles, and now you're gonna just lift the hips up and have the hands below the shoulders. Slowly lower yourself down into the plank position. And again, come up and slowly come down. Contract your abs, slowly come down. Yes, and that is the pike up. And it's really good if you do, let's say, between 10 to 20 reps. That will be very challenging. All right, so now if you cannot do the pike up on stability ball with extended legs, we're gonna break it down from the easier variation all the way to the harder variation. So the first step would be that you actually start practicing plank holds on the stability ball. So this goes like that. So even like this, the plank here is kind of challenging. So if you will notice the ball, obviously it's moving and you will have to really control it with your core to prevent from moving. If this is the issue, you can place the ball somewhere in the corner where the ball will not move, and first do the plank like so on the ball. There is secured, just that you get the feeling for this position, right? Once you're comfortable in doing that and you can hold the plank for, let's say, at least 30 seconds or more, you can go on the ball without any anchors for the ball, right? So you just come up and you'll see the ball is moving left and right. Adjust your feet, they can be on the shin bones. I have to have it a little bit on the upper part of my ankles, and here you will see you really have to engage everything, yeah? And you hold it here for about 30 seconds, up to a minute if you want to, yeah? The next step would be knee tucks. So you start rolling your ball to the center with the bended knee and then back out. So that's like one step before you actually start doing the pike up. So again, you go on the ball with your feet, keep your core tight, and now all what you need to do is just bend your knees, tuck it towards your chest and extend. Good. And again, and exhale. Inhale, exhale. And again, make sure that your upper part of the body is sturdy, and also the lower back, you're not arching your back and sinking down with your hips. This is really important that you keep it stable. And of course, when you master this and you do, let's say, about 10 to 15 reps, then slowly start to lifting up your hips. Okay, let's do that exercise again. So we are here, good. And now slowly lift up your hips, look down between your hands, slowly lower down. So again, up and down. Stay here, so don't drop it like that, okay? Stay here, okay? And that is the pike-up. It's a pretty challenging exercise, I would say, but it's one of my favorite. I've been doing this for quite a long time and I simply love it. And if you are more into gymnastics and yoga, you can practice this move to push yourself up into the handstand. Basically, I don't do this one. I never tried it. Maybe I should. But yeah, this is really good core exercise, upper body strengthening exercise, and it works also hip flexors. It will work the stabilizers and the deep core muscles. So yeah, I would say incorporate it inside your routine. And in my next workout, I will show you how I incorporate this exercise into the circuit training, and this will be in my next video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and check this video next to help you with your trainings with my tutorials. Thank you so much. See you next time. Ciao.